is the Southmore station.
Underneath the highway, this stuff on the walls of the tunnel is Harmonic Past by Christopher Janney, installed in 2006. There's a riddle on the plaque where everything's misspelled for whatever reason, but it doesn't really matter because this doesn't look or work as intended anymore. Janney's website links this video that shows the lights are supposed to be on all the time and turn off when someone walks past them, and the speaker inside plays a tone. At some point, I think the motion sensor still worked, but the lights were usually off and would turn on and play a tone if you walked past. These days, though, it just happens randomly sometimes. The light and the tone are still exciting. It's a lovely idea for a piece, but electronic components just don't stay good for 2 decades. Janney is famous enough to have a Wikipedia page, so he's done a lot of artworks, but this one hasn't stood the test of time. Join me next time at this station. See you there.